Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm here with a May Treasure Tress box, and this month's box is full of 6 full-size products from one particular brand. I'm not going to do a wash day or show you guys me using the product this month because these products, or one in particular, is a protein treatment, and my hair has enough protein at the moment. Our hair does have a protein moisture balance, and if you sway too far in either direction, that can lead to breakage. And at the moment I feel like my hair is nicely in the middle, so I don't want to go ahead and put an unnecessary protein treatment on it for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to show you guys what is inside this month's box, and also let you guys know again, if you don't already know, that I do have a discount code which is Roots Undone in capital letters, which you can use to get money off of your first Treasure Tress box. So I'm going to get in and show you guys what is inside the box. So here we have the May Treasure Tress box, and as you guys know, we always receive an insert which tells us what the products are and how to use them if we aren't sure. And this month we have 6 products from the Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil range. So first we have the Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extreme Hydration and Detangling Shampoo. Followed by the Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask Damage Reversal Formula, which is a protein treatment. We then have the Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Knot Free Forever Leave-In Detangling Conditioner. And next we have the infamous Sunny Owl Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which is 100% natural. Followed by the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter, which is a lavender infused castor oil butter. And then we have the Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eyelash and Eyebrow Growth Serum, which is also 100% natural. Thank you for tuning in for this quick unboxing video, and remember to use my discount code for money off of your first Treasure Tress box.